If you're planning to become a licensed electrician in New Mexico in 2026, this video walks you through exactly what you need to know step by step. We'll cover the Journeyman EE98J requirements, the Master Electrician EE98B license, the application process, and what's on the exam. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stay with us until the end because we'll also share with you a discount code you can use on your New Mexico electrician exam prep materials. In New Mexico, electrician licensing is managed by the Construction Industries Division, the CID, under the state's Regulation and Licensing Department. PSI Exams handles the day-to-day license management on CID's behalf, including applications, exam scheduling, and renewals. The CID issues two key credentials, the EE98J Journeyman Certificate and the EE98B Master, also known as the Qualifying Party Certificate. Before you apply or schedule your exam, it's important to understand which license you're pursuing and what each one allows you to do. New Mexico's electrician exams are based on the 2023 National Electrical Code. Both the Journeyman and Master exams are open book, and unlike some states, New Mexico allows you to bring your own personal copy of the NEC to the testing center. You can tab and highlight it before exam day, but you cannot write in it during the test. As the state may transition to the 2026 NEC in coming months, always confirm the current edition with the CID before you sit for your exam. To qualify for the New Mexico EE98J Journeyman Electrician Certificate, you must be at least 18 years old and have 8,000 hours of documented hands-on electrical experience under a licensed electrician. All your experience must fall within the last 10 years. Supervisory or management time doesn't count. If you completed accredited training, New Mexico allows up to half your hours to be satisfied through training at a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 years of training counts as 1 year of experience. You need to pass the Journeyman exam with at least 75% score on each part. The application and certificate fee is $75. Log your experience with proper employer sign-offs, then submit your application through PSI with your documentation, pay the $75 fee. Here's an important difference from some other states. New Mexico's Journeyman process includes both a written exam and a practical hands-on exam. You'll need to pass both. The written exam has two parts. Once PSI approves your application, they'll send instructions for scheduling. Pass all parts with a 75% or better, and PSI transmit your scores to CID for certificate issuance. The EE98B is New Mexico's Master Electrician credential, officially called the Qualifying Party or QP certificate. As a QP, you can supervise electrical installations, pull permits, and serve as the responsible license holder for a contracting business. You need 4 years, that's 8,000 hours of qualifying electrical experience. The most common path is holding your EE98J Journeyman certificate and adding the required QP experience. You can also complete an accredited apprenticeship or use training credit for up to half your hours as a 2-to-1 ratio. The QP certificate application fee is $36. Apply for your QP certificate through PSI, pay the $36 fee, and pass the required exams. Once certified, the contracting business can apply for the electrical contractor license. The contractor license requires a $10,000 surety bond if your annual work exceeds $7,200, a New Mexico tax registration certificate, and proof of workers' compensation insurance. The EE98 contractor license fee is $300. Here's good news for out-of-state electricians. New Mexico offers journeyman reciprocity with 11 states, including Texas, Colorado, and several Mountain West states. Contact the CID to confirm whether your license qualifies. The EE98 exam is administered through PSI and has 3 separate trade parts plus business and law. Part 1 is commercial and industrial, which has 80 questions in 200 minutes. Part 2 is residential, which has 40 questions in 100 minutes. Part 3 is specialties, 50 questions in 135 minutes. The business and law section is 50 questions in 130 minutes, but you can alternatively complete an approved business and law course instead of taking the exam. You need 75% on every part to pass. Each trade part costs around $89, totaling about $269 for the 3 trade portions. The exams are open book, and you can bring your own tabbed and highlighted NEC codebook, a real advantage if you prepared it well. Once licensed in New Mexico, both journeyman and master electricians must complete 16 hours of continuing education every 3 years. 8 of those hours must specifically cover NEC code changes. The other 8 hours can be any other CID-approved industry-related instruction. This is important. Proof of CE completion must be submitted with your renewal application. If you don't include it, your renewal will not be processed. Make sure to keep certificates for all your CE courses. Let's do a quick recap. For the New Mexico EE98J Journeyman, you need 8,000 hours of experience, pass a written plus practical exam at 75%, and pay a $75 fee. For the EE98B Master and Qualifying Part, you need 8,000 hours, pass 3 trade exam parts, plus business and law at 75%, pay a $36 QP certificate fee, and then the contracting business pays a $300 license fee. Both licenses types renew every 3 years with 16 hours of CE. New Mexico offers journeyman reciprocity with 11 states, which is a real advantage for out-of-state electricians moving in. Focus on the high-frequency NEC topics: grounding and bonding, services and feeders, overcurrent protection, and conductor sizing making up the majority on exam points. Practice with real PSI-style questions at a 75% passing threshold. Remember, you bring your own NEC, tap it thoroughly before exam day because navigation speed is what separates passing from failing. For the business and law, you have a choice. Take the exam or complete an approved course. Many candidates find the course route quicker, and because you're sitting for 3 lengthy trade parts, pace yourself. Over 6 hours of testing total if you include all sections. That brings me to the discount I promised. Use code 2026NM at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get 15% off any New Mexico electrician exam prep package. Whether you're going for your EE98J Journeyman Certificate or the EE98B Master and Qualifying Party Credential, our prep materials are built to help you study smarter and walk into exam day ready to hit that 75% passing score. Use code 2026NM at checkout for 15% off your New Mexico electrician exam prep package. If you're preparing for the New Mexico EE98J Journeyman exam or the EE98B Master and Qualifying Party Credential, check the links below. We have New Mexico specific exam prep materials, 2023 NEC resources, practice exams, and courses designed to help you hit that 75% passing score on every part. Don't forget, use code 2026NM at checkout on oneexamprep.com for 15% off your New Mexico electrician exam prep packages. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state electrician licensing breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll